Well, let's get with Chief Meteorologist Ashley Gann to talk about timeline. Ashley, I know that some churches are having some sunrise services streaming on Facebook. So what's the timeline for the system on Sunday?
Yeah, great question, Sherry. And actually, there's going to be a morning wave of rain followed by a bit of a mid-morning break before the severe storms actually arrive later in the afternoon. And that's what makes Sunday's weather a little interesting, is there's really a couple of rounds of active weather. Now, it's the second round that we're really going to focus on the likelihood of tornadoes. Right now, a moderate risk for severe weather, likelihood of that being enhanced to a higher risk for some parts of West Alabama by tomorrow. Enhanced risk now for East Alabama. That means tornadoes still likely, hail possible, strong winds, all modes of severe weather possible. So where is this storm system right now? Well, this area of low pressure sitting off the coast of California will zip across the central part of the nation over the next 24 hours, arriving in Alabama early Sunday morning. The ridge of high pressure that's dominating our weather right now will allow for a beautiful clear sky tonight and dropping temperatures. Look at this. Some spots in the upper 30s by tomorrow morning. Yeah, that's right. And that's why there is a frost warning in effect for north and northeast Alabama. It's hard to believe that we'll wake up to temperatures in the 30s tomorrow, and then we'll be talking severe weather less than 24 hours later. Not something that typically happens here in the deep south. So just don't be deceived by tomorrow's forecast, where temperatures will be in the 70s. We'll see sunshine because we're making up for it with this tornado potential. And that's what I want to show you very quickly. Tornado potential in West Alabama and Central Alabama. Look at that. That's going to be late Sunday afternoon, finally fizzling out of here on Monday. Let's line that up with our reflectivity. So this is our future cast. There's that first round. It moves through early, wee hours on Sunday morning, and then we'll see a gap. Winds predominantly out of the south. That's going to feed this system. It's the fuel that this storm system will need. And then Sunday at 1 p.m. we'll start to see a few isolated thunderstorms as a warm front, we'll call it the warm sector, lifts to the north, followed by this cold front. As this cold front races in, that's where we'll start to get these isolated thunderstorms, which pose the most danger. So about 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. from west to central Alabama, then from 9 p.m. through midnight east Alabama. I think by midnight we'll start to see that sky clear out. That's good news, but we are tracking this very closely. The storm potential for air that could spin. Now, this isn't necessarily by the books as far as where this will line up, but what makes me very concerned, look at this extreme line for spin from Columbus, Fayette, Jasper, and Albertville, but this could really be anywhere through central and north Alabama. That's why we have a weather alert for Sunday, but then we'll see a clearing sky and actually some